Good morning.
From Khao Sok. Last night we stayed in this gorgeous jungle bungalow.
With monkeys everywhere this morning that took our bananas.
And why we are here is because we are going to be doing something very exciting over the next 2 days.
We're doing an overnight trekking tour to Cheow Lan Lake in Khao Sok National Park. We're staying in a floating bungalow.
And gonna get to see so much beautiful nature.
And wildlife, hopefully.
Oh, I'm so excited.
So excited.
So we gotta get started so we can go meet our tour guide.
Let's do it. Subscribe to follow along. This national park actually has quite the story. We made it to Khao Sok National Park.
And we're about to hop on a boat and already it's beautiful.
This is Cheow Lan Lake, and it's man-made. In the 1970s, student activists and communist insurgent groups set up camp in the Khao Sok area, which kept not only the Thai army at bay, but also the loggers, miners, and hunters out. This worked, and in 1980, the largest watershed in southern Thailand with immensely diverse biodiversity became a national park. In 1982, however, this dam was created on the outflowing river to generate electricity for the south of Thailand. And so the valleys were flooded and abandoned villages sunk 40 meters below the surface, only treetops left as evidence of the old valley floor. This resulted in this incredible 165 square kilometer lake within the Khao Sok National Park.
I cannot get over this watercolor. Everything is so bright and beautiful. The water is so clear and so emerald color. Like, it's like Emerald Lake in Canada. It's insane.
Seriously impressive limestone cliffs. Oh my goodness. And the most emerald water ever.
So cool! Is so gorgeous. We turn a corner and it's even prettier than the last. Like, it's insane. 360 degree, just beautiful.
I think we've arrived.
This has got to be probably the coolest accommodation we've ever stayed in.
Yeah, ever. These are floating houses
Oh my god.
on the lake. What the heck? These are so cute.
So it's V4.
Oh my goodness.
We're looking for V4?
V?
Or maybe A4?
You said B?
I think, oh, B maybe.
These are so cute. Oh, this is luxury, folks.
Wow.
This is luxury.
I found our room and it's, we each get our own bed if we want.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, this is so cool. So we can pick whatever comfy bed we want. We got towels. There's lights, don't know if they work.
It's actually power on at night. Back to the tour. Oh wow, private bathroom.
Shower, normal toilet. Beautiful room, but of course, the best part about this accommodation, look at this view. Wow. Oh, but you know what? It's lunchtime and I'm starving, so
Me
let's go find
too.
some food. This looks amazing. After a delicious lunch, it's kayaking time. Woohoo!
We made it.
This is so nice. Holy
This
smokes.
is so impressive. This landscape is phenomenal. Like some of the most unique, impressive landscape I've ever seen in my life.
And the sunshine and the color of the water, and so much nature. Like, oh, you know how much we love nature, but this is
I mean,
epic.
the second we got here too, on the boat, it was just like big breath of fresh air, literally. I can't get over this.
Ah, a nice dippity-doo in the lake, fresh water. Ooh. Begins. We learned that Cheow Lan Lake is actually only 20% of Khao Sok National Park.
So there's actually tons more jungle and nature to explore. And apparently, 5% of the world's species can be found here in Khao Sok National Park. And now, bamboo rafting time.
Alright, let's go.
A little more luxurious than the last one we were on, eh, Dev?
Yeah, we were told
Pretty
on
stable.
this one that you don't need to be worrying about getting your butt wet, which is nice. The other one we got a bit wet, but this is luxury.
Luxury bamboo.
This is so peaceful. This is beautiful.
That was a quick little bamboo ride. Now we're gonna go hike into a cave. From my understanding, by the way, this lagoon behind us is actually separate from the lake, and the water gets here via an underground cave that's 60 meters below. Insane.
We were told we need flashlights. Let's go.
By the way, interesting fact, this is called karst topography. And essentially it's formed when soluble rock like limestone erodes and dissolves over time, and it makes these caves and it makes these crazy cliffs. Whoa!
We're getting behind from the group, so we gotta hurry up. By the way, this national park used to be part of an ancient coral reef that scientists think was 5 times bigger than the Australian Great Barrier Reef. And it's just incredible.
Another thing that caused the formations of these massive cliffs made of limestone is the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates colliding and pushing all this coral and this ancient reef up into the air. Coolest cave I've ever been in, for sure. That beats all of them. And I've only been in like 3 or 4. That was insane.
We're back on the little raft, heading back to I think the hike again, but
Yeah, we're
oh
gonna
my
go back
gosh.
back to the lake the way we came. That was insane. The coral structures in there. Oh wow. These are wild elephants by our place. What the hell?
Like wild elephants, just hanging out.
This is incredibly rare. They're washing the food before they eat it, apparently.
Just got back to our place after seeing elephants.
We saw wild elephants, and I think it's incredibly rare. There's not that many on the planet in Thailand, and right here, they're right beside our bungalows.
Wild elephants feeding themselves, bathing themselves with their babies.
That's insane. We saw, like, what was it, 3 baby elephants?
Yeah, and like
Oh
3
my
little
gosh.
families. Wow.
I'm blown away.
That was, yeah, I didn't think that was gonna
Didn't
happen.
expect that. Anyhow, those elephants were very impressive, but now it's dinner time, and I'm starving.
Dinner looks amazing. We'll show you the spread.
Quick distraction, realize the elephants are actually quite close, and I'm just gonna go have a peek. Just so casual, just right there. Back to dinner.
Keith, of course, is still eating, but that was such good food. I'm stuffed.
Excellent. Bedtime.
We are gonna head to bed because we have some plans early in the morning.
Be early.
So, see you then. Good morning from 6 a.m. on the docks. We're just about to watch the sunrise. You can see it right behind us. It's gonna be a magical day. Beautiful sunset. I got myself a little to-go coffee because we're hopping on the boat again.
Another wildlife spotting morning. But I think we hit the jackpot last night, so, you know, we don't need to see anything. We saw everything like yesterday. Well, we didn't see anything this morning, but like I said, we were spoiled last night with the wild elephants. It's only fair.
And it was still so beautiful and just so peaceful this morning, just boating around watching the sun rise, and we could see like the shadow coming over on the side of the mountains.
It's just magnificent here.
Amazing. And just like that, it's breakfast time.
It's breakfast.
Like that, we have to check out. Wow, this has been so incredible.
This has been a really unique accommodation and a phenomenal experience. Okay, here's the little spin for you.
Oh, this has been so unreal. We are hopping back on the boat to have another beautiful boat ride to get back to the pier.
We're heading back.
Wow, time flies.
It is what it is. Thank you, Jackie.
Thank
Okay, come.
We made it to lunch.
We're back in Khao Sok, unfortunately.
It is still so beautiful here, but holy smokes, that national park, like being in the park and the water was so incredible.
Yeah, that was phenomenal. Honestly, such a super unique experience. I'm so happy we got to go to the national park. Ever since we heard about it, we were like, oh, we have to go. And we have to thank thailandmagazine.com for that as well. Thank you very much. That was a very cool experience. And I can't believe we saw wild elephants. Super rare. Super rare. That was mind blowing.
It was, yeah, like a bucket list thing we didn't even know we wanted. Like,
And
oh.
you know me with topography and everything. I was obsessed. That is so interesting.
So if you're curious to learn more about the tour we did and Thailand in general, check out the website. We've linked it below.
thailandmagazine.com, and there's also a WhatsApp chat group as well you can join.
If you're curious to learn more. So thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our vlog, and we're excited to see you in the next one.
See you soon. Here's a good blooper. We haven't even left yet, and Monkeys took 2 of our 4 bananas and put his mouth in my coffee. I really didn't think Hugh was going to drink my coffee, but he did, so now I have to make another coffee. Monkeys are crazy.